Hi friends. Welcome to Technical Vikash. Now I am going to talk about Redmi Note 5 Pro Update 9.6.2.0. 1. Increased RAM management and performance. 2. Increased battery backup while compared to before. 3. No heating issues after this update. 4. New stock wallpapers and screen lock widget placement. 5. New volt indicator on notification bar. 6. Apps were launching faster than before. 7. Indication of system storage in storage option. 8. Shortcut to apps from messaging apps like PAYTM, Jio, IRCTC, SBI, Airtel C. 9. New icon of music app. Some bugs are there. 1. Poor camera quality. Lots of noise in both front camera and back. 2. Still not provided Oreo.